Hello everyone! Today let's talk about the verb to be in French. To be in French is much more regular and easier than you think. If you're a beginner in French and you'd like to anchor quickly the conjugation of to be, I'm going to show you a pattern that you can use to speed up your learning. To be in French is based on two sounds. The sound of the S and E. Tu es, elle est, il est, on est. And you see that in French, the A sound is often created by an E plus something that you add an accent or a letter. Here it's S and ST. You don't pronounce these S and T. These S and T are just here to change the sound of the E into E. And you also have vous êtes. So here, it's not exactly the sound E, but E, et. Now, let's talk about the S sound. Je suis, ils sont, elles sont. So here, what we have is a sandwich of S sounds. Suis on the top, sont on the bottom. So for suis, you can think of, or you may know, the quote by French philosopher Descartes, Je pense, donc je suis. I think, therefore I am. That's this one. And for sont, the sound on, O-N-T with a silent T, is a classic in French. You see it in many verbs like to have, to go, the future tense, and many other occasions. Now I just mentioned quickly the very formal we are, nous sommes, which is completely irregular and not very used in French. It's really for the formal written French. So what should you remember first? The E sound is in a sandwich of S sounds. And thanks to that, you'll be able to unwind the thread of to be in French. So if you're still here, you'll probably be interested in knowing the most common French expressions that you can use with to be. And that's what I show you in the next episode.